Hello my friends, welcome to my video. I want to show you how to make a reverse single crochet stitch, and I will appreciate if you subscribe and turn on notifications for my channel. I want to be uploading different stitches and tutorials and even time lapses of hats that I like to make. I love to make character hats, but that comes with a little bit of a problem, the copywriting and all that, but at least I can show you how I can make different hats. I believe I can make any hat that people will ask me to, and I really enjoy doing that. But in the meantime, I want to show you some of the techniques I learned in my 8 years of crocheting. I learned to crochet through YouTube, and I think it's a very good tool to teach people how to crochet. In my first video, I showed how to do the reverse half double crochet, this is my sample. As you see, it's very evenly looking compared to a normal crochet, like a normal half double crochet stitching, which you can see these ribs and everything. And I love how this looks. It's the same type of stitch, but just looking opposite. So you can click on the link to find that. And now I'm going to teach you how to do the half double, the single crochet reversed, the reverse single crochet. So I'm just going to continue on this one so you can see. So you chain one to start your round or your row, and what you do is the same way we did with the half double crochet. You in this case it's easier actually, because you don't need to loop the yarn on top. What you do, you just insert your hook from behind and pull your loop, and you just finish the single crochet. So this is super simple. You just insert your hook from behind, pull the loop, and finish the stitch. Insert the hook, pull the loop, and finish the stitch. This is very simple to make. The single crochet is very, very uncomplicated. So I'm just doing it backwards in regards to the way I insert my hook. Normally we'll insert it from here, but in here we just insert it from the back. Make sure that you get the 2 loops on top, which I don't think is a problem in these stitches. Okay, this is the last one of the row. Chain 1, and then you work your single crochets as normal. Okay, I'm gonna make another row with the single crochet reversed. So you can see how to do it again. Okay, chain 1, insert from behind, finish your single crochets. From behind, pull, finish your stitch, like that. From behind, pull, finish your stitch, behind, pull, finish your stitch. Okay, and I'm going to finish another row. I normally use these single crochets like this whenever I'm making hats with ear flaps. My specialty is hats. I love to make hats. I like for crochet to be practical and useful. I love to make things that are useful. So I don't make doilies, to be honest. I mean, those are decorative. For some people they might be useful, but I particularly don't like them too much, though I would like to make a doily as a rug. I think that would be a great idea, to make it with some t-shirt yarn, even if you make it yourself or you buy the yarn. Okay, so this is the result. Let me turn this like this so you can see it. These ones are my single crochets worked reversed. If you see, it's the same stitch, but looking towards the right, towards the left. So I'm pretty sure left-handed people, their stitches look like that. And they just need to learn how to make the right way, but it's pretty much the same way. That's how you make opposite stitches or reverse stitches. I hope this video helped you. I'm gonna make another video with the double crochet reverse. So subscribe and turn on your notifications for that, and see you next time. Bye.